close contact with Cambodia, Thailand, and Malaysia.
Malaysia's Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim has announced that both Thailand and Cambodia have agreed to an immediate ceasefire starting from midnight tonight, 28 July 2025. Speaking to reporters, Prime Minister Anwar said that Cambodian Prime Minister Un Manet and Thailand's acting Prime Minister Phumtham Wechachai have shown a strong willingness to stop the fighting and bring back peace. They have both expressed their clear positions and agreed on an immediate ceasefire and a return to normal life, Anwar said. He added that international leaders are also involved. Former US President Donald Trump has spoken with leaders from both countries, urging them to settle the conflict peacefully. Meanwhile, China is actively working with Thailand, Cambodia, and Malaysia to help keep talks going and promote peace. The presence and cooperation of all these parties show a shared commitment to peace, dialogue, and regional stability, said Anwar. আনোয়ার বলেন সব পক্ষের উপস্থিতি এবং সহযোগিতা এটাই দেখায় যে সবাই শান্তি এবং স্থিতিশীলতার প্রতিশ্রুতিবদ্ধ। The official ceasefire will begin at 12 a.m. local time on July 29, 2025. The agreement is unconditional, meaning no extra terms were demanded by either side. The move brings hope to the people in the region who have been worried about the rising tensions over the past few days. All sides now aim to work together for long-term peace. Sanjita Chaudhary, Daily Sun.
For more updates, follow us on Facebook, subscribe our YouTube channel, get the latest update on www.daily-sun.com.